Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro. So we have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Now click install. And now we can click open. Now you can make your Firefox your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to quickly switch between your devices, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox browser is ready to use. So if you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.